Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mila Tifa. I'm from English Department Class 6C. My student number is equal to 3180069. Today, I would like to make a teaching simulation video to fulfill the final exam of pembinaan kompetensi mengajar. To minimize the time, let's move on to the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, good morning. How are you today? I hope you always have a great day. Okay, today we are going to learn about invitation. But before we start our class today, let's open this class by saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, the first slide is the definition of invitation. According to Cambridge Dictionary, invitation is a written or spoken request to come somewhere or do something, or the act of inviting someone. Then if we want to ask someone to join the event or to come somewhere, we can ask them through written or spoken invitation. But make sure you use oral invitation just to your family member, your close friend, or someone you really know. Jadi, undangan itu bisa berupa tulisan ataupun bisa langsung melalui lisan. Tapi harus diperhatikan ya, kepada siapa kamu ingin mengundang. Kalau untuk kepada orang-orang terdekat, kamu bisa menggunakan lisan maupun tulisan. Tetapi beda lagi jika kamu belum terlalu mengenal orang itu. Okay, next to the second slide is the purpose of invitation. The main function of invitation is asking or requesting someone to go to a place, do something, or participate in certain event. Jadi, fungsi dari undangan adalah untuk meminta atau mengajak seseorang untuk bergabung dalam sebuah acara atau mengajak seseorang untuk datang ke suatu tempat. Gitu. And then the third slide, there are two types of invitation. The first one is formal invitation, and the second one is informal invitation. Formal invitation. This type of invitation has a meaning official sense. It is written by institution or a company due to its formality. Such typical invitation seems to the tide people whom are invited. Formal invitation usually used by an institution or a company. Nah, jadi formal invitation ini biasanya digunakan oleh suatu lembaga ataupun suatu perusahaan, di mana biasanya undangan ini itu dikirimkan kepada rekan kerja mereka atau orang-orang yang mempunyai kepentingan terhadap perusahaan mereka. Jadi bisa dikatakan bahwasannya kalau formal invitation itu digunakan untuk hal-hal yang penting atau urgent. And then informal invitation. This kind of invitation is found a lot in social interaction. This informal invitation can be written or spoken and commonly given or addressed to family member, friends, and classmates, or etc. Jadi informal invitation ini itu digunakan untuk orang-orang terdekat, kayak keluarga, terus teman atau teman sekolah. Bisa dikatakan orang-orang yang sudah kamu kenal baik, kamu bisa menggunakan informal invitation untuk mereka. Bisa informal invitation itu bisa berupa written or spoken, gitu. Terus the next slide is generic structure of invitation. The first one is receiver atau penerima. And the second one is body of invitation. There are occasion, day or date, time, and place. Occasion itu adalah kepentingan atau keperluan. Apa yang kalian cantumkan dalam sebuah undangan. Lalu day or date, hari atau tanggal. Lalu time, waktu. Waktu itu lebih spesifik. Seperti jam berapa? Misal jam 4 sore. And the last one is place atau tempat. Di mana kalian mengadakan sebuah acara tersebut. Lalu and then the last is inviter atau orang yang mengundang. Siapa yang mengundang? Jadi harus ditulis juga dalam undangan tersebut. Okay. Now, I will give you examples of formal and informal invitation. This is the example of informal invitation. To all friends at XEC, I invite you to attend my birthday party. It will be held on Sunday, April 28, 2016 at 8 p.m. in the Hilton Hotel. Please come to my birthday, Sukma. Is the example of formal invitation. The chairman and the director of General Mercantile Ltd. request the presence of Mr. and Mrs. Frank Jackson to the opening ceremony of the branch office of General Mercantile at 3 Victoria Street, London, EC at 7 p.m. on Thursday, 1st April 2007. Okay, maybe enough for my class. Thank you so much for attention. See you next time and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.